Nature. It's raining outside. It's 7 o'clock. It's Friday today. The Rocky Mountain is covered with snow. The mountain is covered with cherry blossoms. Many trees and plants grow in the forest. The plant was closed last year. According to the news, it will snow this weekend. It's sunny today. It's dark here. According to the study, garlic is really good for our health. There are reed beds along the riverside. There is a car in the parking lot. There are many cars in the parking lot. Let's walk along the river. It's cloudy and windy today.